this layer, we need to make it thicker. Wood with charcoal, sand, paper. The layers should be tighter. More earth and ore.
Oh, Sammy, what a mess! Are you cooking a dirt pie?
Where did you see a pie? These are Minecraft blocks. I was bored playing the computer game and decided to transfer Minecraft into reality.
Interesting, but maybe we can do the same without a mess?
Did you come up with a new craft?
A whole game. Minecraft with a character and a reward for completing it.
In reality?
In the most reality. Hi guys! I already prepared something and even decorated it in Minecraft style.
Sue, what have you done? Oh, hi everyone.
What happened, Sammy?
You decorated everything without me.
Oh, don't be mad. We still have lots of decoration work to do. By the way, you can already start.
How can I start if I don't know what to do?
Oops, I forgot to tell you. It'll be a Minecraft maze.
What a turn-up. Cool.
We need more parts for the obstacles. Will you make them?
No problem, Susie. Oh, you also mentioned a character?
Oh, it's still a secret, but the sooner we make the main part, the faster you'll find out.
I'm in.
While Sam is not listening, I'll reveal the main secret. The character of our cardboard game will be one of our pets. We're so fond of making crafts for our pets, and don't worry, we take good care of everyone. Our maze is in a Minecraft style, so it'll be a square, of course. And now let's glue a few more blocks. Let's add external walls to make it more durable. Here, we also have the layout of our future obstacles.
We need more obstacles. Oh, I'm on it.
I know I can rely on you, Sammy. So, the base is ready. The external part will have a whole set of traps of different heights and complexity.
Sue, I just realized you're going to invite one of our pets as a game character.
Oh, right, you are. I was just meaning to tell you how they'll pass our maze.
I'm all ears. I will do the casting for our pets.
Our characters will start here and then climb up. There will be an actual maze waiting for them at the top.
Interesting.
Then they'll climb down along the other wall and get inside. And there will be more obstacles and the prize.
I got it. Our character should be very smart and skillful. He will face lots of challenges.
Yes, I think you should search among the hamsters.
I agree. Let's start the casting.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will make the maze on the roof. I hope that Sam can take care of the steps and the wall and the pet casting for the main role in our game. Let's get back to the gluing part. This maze will start here. Fun fact, recently, hedge mazes became very popular. They're built at medical facilities for rehabilitation, and they also help doctors relax after a hard day at work. So, the hamster chosen by Sam will also get some anti-stress therapy in our green maze. I even envy him a little.
Houston, we've got a problem.
What did you call me?
Snowy and Hammy show great results in running. Ashy and Ginger are better at finding treats when I hide them.
Houston to Sam, do more tests and don't forget to prepare the cardboard parts.
Copy that. Oh, I have so much stuff to do today. Sam out. Holy cannoli, construction is so tiring.
How's it going, Sammy?
How can you drink tea when I'm working for both of us?
I took a short break. You did great. These steps are beautiful.
Moreover, I chose a hamster for our maze.
Who is it?
I decided it should be Ginger. He's a smart boy and quite agile.
Oh, great choice. He'll be famous. I can't wait to see him in action.
I'll go prepare Ginger for his big moment.
Okay, and I'm adding some glue to the steps, so it's easier for our star to climb them. I guess I need to speed up. Hop! Awesome. Now we can move our ladder on the outer walls. By the way, hamsters like mazes naturally. Wild hamsters build complicated homes so they can hide their stock better, I think. And also, they're very active creatures. They can run from 6 to 12 kilometers in one day. That's why there's always a wheel in hamster cages. Sam, are you making your dirt pie again?
No, I was training Ginger, but he's not very happy about it. I had to make a deal.
I see that the negotiations were tough.
Oh, yes. This maze is coming out really awesome. Ginger will defo love passing it.
Oh, I really hope so. By the way, can you go tell Ginger about it?
No, I won't reveal the secret this early. It should be a surprise.
Huh, as you say, Sammy. By the way, I have another task for you.
Another task?
Sammy, don't be lazy. It's actually very easy. Make a chest with treats for Ginger.
Treats are the best motivation.
We just need to add a few small details. They'll make our maze more diverse. First, we'll make a hanging bridge. It's very easy. You need to glue boards made from popsicle sticks to rope pieces. Oh, I hope that Ginger will like the bridge. Done!
Choo-choo, important question!
Oh, go ahead, Sammy.
I can't choose a treat for Ginger. Apple, carrot, or bell pepper.
But you know that he likes all of them and will be happy to get any treat. Don't you agree, guys? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. This way you'll find out about new crafts faster than anyone.
I still haven't decided on a treat for Ginger. And what's that?
That's a challenge for our track. Any mine has to have a cart.
This doesn't look like a cart, Sue.
Well, these are the rails, not the cart. And they're ready. Here's the actual cart.
Now I see. And you know what I thought of just now?
What?
Our craft is a cardboard mine, so we created Minecraft. Why the mozzarella Minecraft in reality is real!
Your logic sometimes drives me crazy, Sammy. Let's finish our Minecraft. We just need to glue the upper maze.
That's it.
That's it or not?
Details, Sue, details. Oh, I should remind you of everything.
About what?
About all this.
Oh, right, Sammy. Great job. Let's put everything in place. Obstacles are a good thing, but Ginger also needs some toys. I wonder whether he'll enjoy playing with them. And of course, the prize for our winner. Ginger will definitely be number 1.
Whoa, Ginger will have a challenging task to accomplish.
Good luck, Sammy.
This is awesome! Minecraft in reality! And I decided not to reveal what I put into the chest, so it'll be a surprise for everyone!
Sammy, look who I found! The star of today's video!
You know, Sue, that's not fair. I am the star.
Okay, the supporting star. Does that sound better to you?
Yes, much better, but actually Ginger is awesome too.
Shall we start then?
Yep, ready, set, go!
Oh wow, look how flexible he is! And here comes my favorite part with the steps. Go, Ginger!
Huh. Oh, what's wrong? Did you get stuck? Oh, that's the wrong direction!
Nope, he figured it out. Oh, a little more, you can do it.
Choo-choo, he's coming to that bridge of yours.
I guess Ginger doesn't trust it.
It's okay, friend. You don't have to be scared.
Well, it looks like the situation's changing.
You get it, Sue? Now it's time to climb higher.
He reminds me of a snake.
Smooth move, Ginger. Hey, why did you stop again?
It's okay, he's moving forward. Go, Ginger, go! You can do it! And off to the maze. I can't wait to see how he tackles it.
Easy peasy, I say.
Uh-oh, watch out, Ginger. That box could be dangerous.
Whatever, Sue. That's no biggie for our champ.
Well, I guess he likes it. Ginger, you're doing so great. The finish line's not too far.
Oh, yes. Just move carefully here.
As I said before, Ginger is a real gymnast.
I totally agree, colleague.
Whoa, he's moving to the cart. That's the most exciting part.
Holy cannoli!
Here we go.
Almost there. Almost there. The prize is waiting for you.
Ooh, more snake moves. Go, Ginger. You're a true fighter.
He got inside the mine.
Ooh, let's see how fast he can find the treat.
He's more interested in the walls.
Huh. Aren't you hungry, Ginger? Ginger, that's the wrong way. You have to move to the chest. Oops, this block didn't survive hamster power.
So that's kind of disappointing. I did my best to prepare this treat.
I think you'll find it in a moment. Oh, now it's time for the prize.
Come on, friend. Open it.
Good boy.
And the prize is pineapple. A square one, of course.
Oh, Sammy, you thought of every detail.
Sure.
Guys, did you like our maze? Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And hit that bell button.
See you in our new videos. Bye-bye.
My precious.
Sam, what are you doing? You frightened Tater Tots.
I'm Super Samuel the Invincible. I'm training to save the princess.
Which princess?
It's like Super Mario in real life. Why do I need to explain everything?
Oh, Super Mario in real life. That's actually cool. I was just thinking of a new idea for a maze for Tater Tots. Let's make it.
My ideas are always cool, just like me.
Hello, guys. Today we're going to make something very interesting for Tater Tots. Sammy, where are you?
Hello. Guess who I am?
What's wrong with you?
What? You don't recognize the most famous mustache in the world?
Is it Albert Einstein's? Charlie Chaplin?
Who? No, he's the first game character in the world. If you guess who it is, write in the comments right now.
Oh, I got it. Mario.
Oh, indeed.
It's hard to recognize him with this mustache. Guys, look. We need to make 6 more boxes of different sizes based on this model. Putting it together carefully. And done! Very easy. Here are all our pieces. For now, they're just plain cardboard, but very soon…
So, did you know that Mario's favorite dishes are pizza and spaghetti? What a strange choice.
Wait, you don't mean to say that you don't like pizza and spaghetti?
Well, what's this?
The blocks and platforms that Mario jumps on.
I see, but I think something's missing.
What could it be? Attention, a moment of magic. Whoosh! Ta-da! Does everyone remember how to work with the cutter?
I do. That's why I'm watching you attentively so you don't get hurt.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. I never doubted you. I feel very safe. Done! We need to make several more staircase blocks of different sizes. I've prepared 2 beforehand. Sam, look!
Oh, sorry. I can't. Something just happened.
Sammy, something happens to him all the time. But I can't stop the process now because lots of interesting things are waiting for us. Our background is ready. We should only add some colors to the blocks. This way. Guys, remember to protect your workplace while coloring with spray paint. They're so bright now. Are you happy, Sammy? Sammy, it's your favorite step. Huh. Oh, Sammy, what happened?
What happened? My mustache had an accident. I wanted to fix it with glue. And guess what? It got stuck permanently.
Oh, let me see.
Hurts. We need to do something.
Maybe it can fall off by itself someday?
Very funny, Miss Susie.
Oopsie. Seems Sam is upset. I need to cheer him up. Guys, do you have any ideas? Write your suggestions in the comments.
My artistic sense is telling me that it's time to use ordinary paints.
And as usual, your sense was right.
Wow, it looks fantastic. I want to do it too.
Of course, Sammy. Anything to cheer you up.
I wasn't ever down.
All right, while Sam's working with paints, I'll finish drawing with the marker.
Sue! We forgot the pipe.
Don't worry, Sammy. Everything is under control. Our Mario pipe is almost ready.
Susie, can I color it?
Of course, Sammy. What color do you choose?
Bright, bright green.
Perfect. Here you are.
We'll be done in a second.
Meanwhile, I'll start making the maze. Every block has its place. We need to make the maze passable. Otherwise, what's the point, right? Guys, do you like playing games with mazes? Give a thumbs up if you do. Let's not forget our wonderful staircases. This way. Perfect!
Also, let's not forget our wonderful pipes.
Good job, Sammy. Let's attach them to their places. I almost forgot. I've got a special task for you.
Oh, wow, that's interesting.
Do it, please, while I'm assembling the side walls of the maze. Samuel!
Oopsie! Susie! Look at all this beauty I made. The task is, almost completed.
And the wrappings, are they part of the task?
Yes, I call it Super Mario Candy Wrapper Kingdom.
Let's better clean up here and make a classic Mario maze.
All right.
Every maze has to have walls. Otherwise, what would be the point, right? This way.
Walls mean there's also an entrance and an exit. Otherwise, what's the point, right?
Sammy! Okay, give them here. I need to attach them. The entrance and the exit. The next super important pieces are magnetic fixtures for the maze. We need 4 of them. They go at the top and at the bottom.
Wow, fantastic! We've almost created Super Mario in real life. Susie! Where did she go?
Sammy! Oh! He always vanishes when I need his help.
Susie!
Sam, I'm here!
I've been looking all over for you. Listen, you won't believe it. Mario had a mustache only because it looks better than a mouth in game graphics.
Oh, so there was no need for all that mustache mess.
Guys, do you know any interesting facts about Super Mario? Tell us in the comments.
We made holes with the drill to let the air inside for Tater Tots.
Guys! Oh, I'm so happy with the job we've done.
Hey, Sammy, now it's done.
Oh, Susie, it's amazing! Now I'm just like Mario. Where did she go again? I really can't wait. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3.
Go, Tater Tots!
She found the pipe.
But she was right to leave it behind. Come on, Tater Tots!
Yeah, just a perfect time for cleaning. Tater Tots, you should go find the castle.
Aww. Come on, girl, you can do it. I believe in you.
Oh. Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Feels like I'm really playing the video game, but this is way more cool.
I agree with you. It seems Tater Tots likes it too.
Almost there.
Tater Tots! Tater Tots! Yay! Well done! Guys, subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. Sam, I think she liked it. Sammy?